Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on your Nintendo Switch. First, make sure your Switch is connected to your television or ready for handheld play. Next, confirm your Joy-Con controllers are fully charged and paired. You can then insert the game card or download the digital version. Finally, launch the game from your home screen to start dancing. It's a simple setup for hours of fun. When playing Just Dance, you have a couple of controller options. You can use a single Joy-Con controller, holding it securely in your right hand. Alternatively, download the free Just Dance controller app on your smartphone, which turns your phone into a motion controller. Remember to always use the wrist strap for safety. The game primarily tracks your right hand's movements, so focus on mimicking the on-screen coach with precision. Just Dance offers a variety of exciting game modes to explore. From the main menu, you can select options like the energetic sweat mode for a workout or the fun kids mode designed for younger players. The World Dance Floor allows you to compete with dancers globally. You'll find an extensive song catalog to choose from, and as you play, you'll unlock new songs, avatars, and other cool content. Many tracks even have different difficulty levels. To achieve the highest scores in Just Dance, precision and timing are key. Focus on mimicking the on-screen coach's movements as accurately as possible. Keep an eye out for the special gold moves. Executing these perfectly will earn you substantial bonus points. Regular practice, especially on more challenging routines, will greatly improve your performance. Playing with friends adds a fantastic competitive element, making the experience even more enjoyable and helping you push for those perfect ratings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.